Meaning of forward-looking.
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 Forward-looking. Forward-looking refers to a perspective or approach that considers potential future events and trends in decision-making processes. Taking a forward-looking approach involves analyzing current data and projecting how it may impact the future. It requires anticipating potential risks and opportunities, and making plans accordingly. Such an approach helps individuals, businesses, and organizations stay proactive and responsive to changes in their environment. Overall, adopting a forward-looking mindset can help facilitate growth, innovation, and adaptability in an ever-changing world.